Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by tuning to standard E and placing an F-based chord immediately. This gives the harmonic center. Form an F7 or F major bar at the first fret to get the characteristic tension. Once done, use your index to hold the bass notes while your other fingers voice the chord. Make sure to commit to fretting cleanly so the blues colors ring. This setup determines how the following licks will land and why the progression feels grounded. Next, focus on the 12-bar structure and the common F-stop blues turnaround so you can navigate changes smoothly. You play minor pentatonic in F and insert a flat fifth to add grit. This is why the blues note works against the dominant chords. Once comfortable, emphasize the third on the I chord to outline the tonality and practice slides and half-step bends moving into the V7. Make sure to synchronize your right-hand dynamic. Finally, land your final phrase on a resolved F major or an F6 voicing to give the song closure. That resolution explains the emotional release. Once done, practice the ending slowly and accent the downbeat so the cadence reads clearly. If something sounds wrong, check intonation and thumb placement immediately, and then loop the troublesome bar at reduced tempo until it locks in. Make sure to breathe between phrases, and keep your right hand relaxed for consistent tone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.